Hi, welcome to an Autocad 2024 video tutorial. A follow-up to the last one, now a more advanced stand. Looks quite nice, so let's have fun with AutoCAD. Okay, I want to start with a hexagon, so go for the polygon. 6 sides, center maybe at 0, 0, and I go for a circumscribed one, and the radius might be 10 millimeter. Okay, now in AutoCAD it's not necessary to place the profile normal to the sweeping path, because AutoCAD will do it itself. So let's draw a spline, maybe like that. Enter. Okay, and now edit it a little bit so it gets a little bit more dynamic. Maybe like that, maybe like that. No, take care. Like this, and yeah, that looks okay. Nice. Now I need 6 lines, because the method which I used in the other programs will not work, because those edges of that sweep would not intersect. So let's draw some lines, or at least draw one from here to hashtag 00. Now let's make a polar array with that line, right click, center should be 0, 0, and it should not be associative, so close that array. Now let's go to a surface sweep and select those lines. Go for a sweep, select one line, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, and 6th here. Okay, right click, enter, go for a twist. Let's go for 1800, enter, and select that sweeping path, which should give me 6 twisted surfaces like that. That's great. Now I want to make a union of those surfaces. So go for solid, go for a union, and select one, or maybe select them all, and right click. Of course it will not be associative anymore, but that doesn't matter. Which gives me just one surface, because I want to intersect it with another surface, and that's easier to do like that. So I will make it in 2 steps. So I need a circle, and that circle should be with a smaller radius. So go for a circle at 0, 0, and maybe that radius might be, let's go for 8 millimeter. Okay. Let's go for wireframe, and I need another sweep, but right now a surface sweep with that circle here. So go for a sweep, select that circle here, right click, enter, and select again the sweeping path, which should be somewhere over here. No, where is it? There's the spline, yes. And now I have that here, so maybe put that surface onto a different layer so it's better visible, maybe on the surface 2 layer, and this one on the blue one, like that. Okay, and let's go for X-ray. Okay, and now I can make an intersection of those 2 surfaces. So go for intersect, I will type it, and I want to intersect those two surfaces here. Right click, which should give me 6 splines, and those splines will intersect at the right positions. Now let's put those onto a different layer, maybe on this one here. And you see, these are not connected. So let's go for join and select them all. And those which are connected or touch will be connected. Let's move them all onto, apart from the path here, onto that red layer, and this one maybe onto the yellow one, maybe on this one. Okay, let's hide that layer for the moment. Now I need another sweep, again with those 6 lines. So go to sweep, select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I could select the circle as well, but I will do it in a second step. Right click, enter, go for a twist, and that twist would be minus 1800 degrees. Now select the path. Again, 6 surfaces. I want to make a union. So go for that union, select them, right click again, continue the operation, and put now this surface, maybe again on a different layer, maybe on this one this time. Then do another sweep with the circle, right click, enter, and I need that spline, which should be here, yes. Okay, and now again an intersection. That's this intersect. Select them like that, right click, which gives me those lines. Great. Now let's make a join. You will find the join command here. There you go. Join. Select them. Right click. Yes. And now put them apart from the sweeping path onto the same red layer. And show that red layer here. Nice. Now I have to do 12 sweeps. I will do solid sweeps. I will do 2 and then stop the recording and start the recording after I've done all of those sweeps. So for those sweeps I will need another circle, and that circle should be at 0, 0 because it's convenient, and I want to go for a radius of 1 millimeter. Now let's hide these objects here, except the small circle, and maybe hide those planes as well. And now let's make sweeps, solid sweeps. Maybe switch the layer to this one here and go for sweep this circle along that spline here. So go for a sweep, select the circle, right click, enter, go for that spline. Repeat, right click, enter with that one, and so on. I will stop now the recording and proceed after I've done all those sweeps. So stop that isolation here and hide the red layer in this case. Okay, and now I want to not join, but make a union with those solid pairs here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So go for a union. Let's maybe start with this one and that one. Right click. Repeat that command with this one and that one. Repeat that command with this one and that one. Repeat that command with this one and that one. Again, this one and that one. And again with this one and that one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want to join again, maybe this one with that one. Enter. Yes, sometimes it gives an error code, so that's why I do it like that. Another union with this one here, and let's take a look. That one here. Yep. One more. This one and that one here. Let's see if we can make even more united solids. Maybe now this one with that one here might take a little bit longer. And it might give an error code. No. Maybe even the last one will work, or maybe not. We will see. This one with that one. It might not work, but that doesn't matter because 2 is okay. It takes a whole lot of time, and I think it will give an error code. Yes. So that's okay. Now I need another sweep with that circle. So go for a surface sweep with that circle here along, of course, the same path. And now I want to thicken that surface, maybe change the layer. Come on. Let's go to solid, make thicken. First thickness of 0.2. And then select the same surface and make thicken with minus 0.2 millimeter. Now I want to unite those two solids here. So go for union, select this solid here and that solid. Right click and maybe move it to a different layer. Maybe to this one here. Okay. And now I want to intersect. that surface with those, not surface, but this solid with the other two solids. Therefore I will need a copy of that one here. So let's go to Home, go to Copy. There you go. Select that solid here, the 3D solid. Right click and use a space point, maybe 0, 0. And move it in that direction, maybe 100. Yeah. Now let's intersect those 2 or 3. So go for an intersect. This one here with one of the other 2, maybe that one. Right click. That should not give an error code, that should work. It will take a while. Nice. Now let's bring back that solid. So go for the move command, select it, right click, and it would be again 0, 0 as space point, and move it in this direction 100. So it's back in place, and now intersect the solid, this one and the second one here, like this. Right click. Okay. Hide the blue surface. Yes. And I'm done. You could try to make a union mill with those 2, but that might give you another error code. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Instagram, Facebook, and many more. And you could also watch, at least for a month, for free, my LinkedIn training videos. That would be helpful as well. So thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.